Hadley's. These aren't the ones that say organic on them. It's what I prefer, but Walmart didn't have them. Not today. Well, it went today. It's whatever day I was shopping. Okay, so this is how you hard boil eggs. Super easy, super fast. Well, you know, relatively. I learned this from Geoffrey Zakarian from the kitchen on the Food Network. Bring the water to a boil. Have your eggs at room temperature. Let them sit out. Sometimes I let them sit overnight. Sometimes it's just like I'll take them out in the morning and then afternoon I'll go ahead and put them in, but that prevents them from cracking when you put them in the boiling water. Then I'm just going to put my lid on at an angle, and from that point on I'm going to time it for exactly 11 minutes. That makes a perfect egg for us. Now you could go, helps if I set the right time. You could go 12 minutes and get a harder boiled egg. You could go 10 minutes and have a softer boiled egg. We just like 11. By the time I get the pan over to the sink and crack the shells under cold running water, and that's the key, is to immediately crack those shells. Get the hot water out, put the cold water in. You don't even have to use ice. Just start running cold water into it. Crack those shells really good, and that water gets up in there and it releases the egg from the inside of the shell. Peels so much easier and faster, and I don't tear up any eggs anymore. That was his way, and I've been doing it ever since I saw him talk about it. I didn't see him do it, he just talked about it on the kitchen. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'll show you the inside. I'll take a paper towel here and dry it off. And I'm just going to cut it. I'll cut it this direction so you can see how perfectly cooked that is. Isn't that just gorgeous? So pretty. I guess I'm going to have to eat it. And so, we're going to use pink Himalayan salt. Just like that. So good. The center is still hot. So good. Just wanted you all to see how easy it is to make hard-boiled eggs.